everybody. I don't know why it was not wanting to focus. I am pouring on this very large canvas. I believe it is, oh my gosh, 3 foot by, I don't know, I don't know my tape measure, but it's big. And I already coated it in white so that you did not have to watch that very boring, slow process. But now I am torching all the bubbles out of it because I want to try and do as little torching as possible after I put my color down, because I don't want the white to pop up, which it will. A little light over here. I may need to add some more white. Or I may just start my pattern down here. Tons of bubbles because I shook up my white paint, which was just Artist acrylic titanium white with Floetrol and water. It's actually a couple different brands of white, but they are fine. They play fine together. I just saw a piece of fuzz. Alrighty. So, I'm going to be doing an open cup twist and swirl. I'm choosing this method because it is an easier method to do on a large canvas because there is not much tilting. I have used open PVC pipe before. Today though, I cut the bottom off of one of my 5.5 ounce cups because it's got this nice rounded lip that will help me go through the paint. So I want I want a lot of negative space, so I may actually start like right here. And let me open the paints. I've got ARTEZA Cochineal Red, ARTEZA Phthalo Blue, ARTEZA Mid Yellow, and again these are all mixed with Floetrol and water. ARTEZA Rose, which is such a pretty color. So pretty. So pretty. Artist Loft Green Yellow. And I am probably going to add in, these are ARTEZA pouring acrylics, neon pink and neon purple. I will be adding these in. Since I'll be swirling them in with the other paints, they will mix in fine. Sometimes they don't play the best with others, but they will be fine with this. So I'm actually going to start off with some blue and red. You know what? Hang on. I'm just getting a piece of paper here to put my paints on. Alright. So I'm actually it is easier with the PVC pipe. I'm finding this is pretty wibbly wobbly. See, I just losing it. always call this the twist and swirl. And you can kind of see why. I am going to grab the PVC though. This is not working as well. I'm going to try, see how much longer I can get use out of this though. I prefer not to have to get anything else out to clean, but alright, neon pink, bye-bye. Actually, this is now working just perfect. And I am trying to barely touch the canvas because I don't want bald spots. Ooh, that's pretty. Alright. See if it wants to move at all. Still. So where I got the movement, it's coming from right here. So that tilt helped me to determine where there was extra paint that needed to move. Alrighty, that's how I wanted it. Come on this side. Let's see if you, oh good, you can see everything. I was hoping you'd be able to. You know, I was going to tilt some more, but I'm not going to. And I'm not going to torch either, which is why I torched ahead of time. Because if I torch, all of these little white cells are going to come popping out, and then I'm going to have to swirl it all over again. Just trying to make sure that this is how I want it. I want all this negative space. Just trying to decide if the rest of it is how it's supposed to be. Which I think it is. And cells are going, you can see, another paper towel. You can see that cells are popping out on its own. The way I used to do this, like I did torch and then I re-swirled. So I didn't have any areas like this or like this or this. It was all very, very smooth. More muted. But I wanted to try and keep it brighter, which it is definitely bright. And like here, there's an area, it's kind of close to the canvas, but I think it's all going to dry just perfect. Take you to this side. Yeah, see, cells like that, it's going to be popping up on its own. But like this area, if I were to torch, I would lose it all. All the color would be eaten alive. That's a really cool area. So there it is. Thank you so much for watching. I see like from close up it doesn't look as much. It looked like a owl face. Close up it kind of looks like a cat. Anywho, thank you so much for watching. Please click subscribe and like and comment, or don't like and comment, whatever. I will catch you all next time. Bye.